Hi guys, I'm Roxanne. Welcome back to my channel. I have here the Boxy Premium. I know it's awfully late in the month to get it. I can't even remember what my choice was, to tell you the truth. I have tried to stay away from the spoilers only because I don't want to be disappointed with what I got compared to what other people got. Oops, sorry. Gotta remember to look at that and make sure it isn't spilled over. So anyway, I am here. I am doing this now. Yeah. So, Boxy Premium is $50 Canadian. It is, I think, $35, and it's guaranteed to be 6 or 7 high-ender stuff. Supposed to have a value of over $275 American, which is about $3.25 Canadian. It comes to about $50 Canadian. We do pay $5 to ship. This is a monthly box from BoxyCharm. There's 3 levels. There's the base, premium, and Luxe. Luxe is every 3 months, which I did sign up for and did get. I know I said I wouldn't, but I did. You guys know me now by now. With that being said, I did keep the premium because I was going to cancel it. I thought, no, I shouldn't. So let's get into this box. I do have a link below. It does give me some extra charms. And that's all I get. I get like $5 worth of charms. So I have this makeup desk, and I don't know why I cannot keep. It's got so much organization on it. Okay, so Glam Vibes Only. I got version 13. Okay. Oh yes, I chose the Marc Jacobs Earth Youthquake. So it says, have it all. This mass multitasking moisturizer has the perfect combination of moisturizing, retexturing results. Why bother rehydrating dead skin cells? Smooth away rough texture and reveal a fresh surface that's ready to receive some major moisture magnitude. The retail value of this is $59. Have it all. Okay, so apply evenly all over face and neck, morning and night for external use only. Use as directed. That external use only baffles me some days, but yes, I do realize that there's a reason for it. So that is a fairly large jar, but as you can see, it's probably not as large. So this is... It does have a little scent. Okay. So, there it is there. So I did get some of the, I was trying to see if there's a safety sale. Okay, so then I got Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. Hydrating and lightweight. The Brilliance Facial Oil on Emma Hardy massages deep into skin while you can achieve natural looking glow. Sorry guys. Multi-active, this formula crafted with a potential essential oils that soothe and purify skin, while camellia oils offer antioxidants for protection from free radical damage. I'm going to assume this is for the face, but it doesn't really say. So this is valued at $55. It kind of seems a little repetitive that you give me a choice for this, but then you send me this. I do have naturally oily skin. Seems to have balanced it out a bit, and it might be because I am going through menopause, so yeah. Boy, is this ever like... Okay, so... That is cute. But why does it look like it's off on an angle? Because it is. The dropper is not in correctly. I thought it was just me. but no. Okay, so oh, there, it does say facial oil. Fine, I do say facial oil. I assumed it was facial oil. Oh, it says it on the front too. Well, there you go. Anyway, let's pack that back. No, you know what? I'm not even going to pack it up. I'm just going to leave it out because there's really no sense. I don't know if I'll use this. I might give it a try, and I don't know. So right there is over $100. So, I mean, well and paid for my box. Okay, let's see here. I got Stella Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. Okay, this is valued at $22. Okay. So I did see this version of the box. This is in a brown, which is nice. I'm lionfish. I have no idea what a lionfish is. Ooh, I like that. See that? That is nice. So, okay. Let's see here. That stay, not stray. For reliable cover payoff that's second to none. Moisturized ingredients ensures color glide on smooth, waterproof formula won't budge or fade. What's more, it can be used as a classic eyeliner or a smudgy eyeshadow. But didn't it say it's smudge stick? Oh, okay, I get it now. You're allowed to smudge it. It's not a, you know, unsmudge. I'm like, well, look, it's smudging. That is pretty, actually. I really like that. Okay, so the next item here, that's valued at $22. I don't know if I said that. I'm giving myself a headache today. Just been one of those days. What? This is kind of scary, the fact that this came with a lip item. This is silicone, gluten, and soy-free. Okay, so this is a lip scrub, which is kind of nice because, yeah, I did actually a lip scrub today. So I'm not going to use it. So this is valued at $22. Natural sugar crystals, hemp stem exfoliators for softer, smoother, moisturized lips. Shea, cocoa, and mango butter soften lips. Seal and moisturizers improve texture. So, that's $22. So that's $44 right there. Plus, what did I say? 59 and 55. Okay. I'll just add the color at the end of the day. So I got the Kush Kitsch Cleanser Retro surgical stainless steel roller for your overworked sensitive skin. Is your new at-home facial made with high quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviates sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for best. Okay, so thoroughly cleanse and dry skin. Remove ice roller from freezer. Allow to sit for a few minutes. For additional benefits, apply your favorite serum or sheet mask. Okay, I'm not sure I'm going to open this because I do have a few others. While I understand that getting the blood flowing is really good, I'm not going to use this on my birthmark because I need the blood to stop flowing there. So I'm not sure if I'll keep this or not. I'm not sure what I'll actually keep from this except for maybe this and this. And then that is valued at $18. So then I got the Queen. Queen lies in all of us. Eloise. Okay, so I like the fact it's got like light, medium, and dark skin tones. That's really nice. So this should be a palette for all of us. Whoa. I have to say there's not really much colors I wouldn't wear from this. So I'm not going to sit here and swatch them all. I might actually save that for a different time. That is absolutely beautiful. This crown, sovereign, queen, monarch. I mean, I'm going to have a hard time making an eye look out of this just because I don't know what to do. Okay, so that is really, really pretty. Okay, so with that being said, this box isn't overwhelming me. It looks like a great box, so I'm gonna add up the values. I'm not even sure what I wanted in my box. I did want this, obviously that works. The eyeliner I do like, I'm not gonna lie, but I do think it's a little repetitive to put 2 facial creams or oils in. So this palette is valued at $46. I do think the ice roller is a great addition to it. I thought it was, maybe it's supposed to be valued at $175 because it only comes up to $222. Anyway, it definitely was worth the money this month. I will say that it's a little underwhelming for me. Please don't take that as like I hate this box, because it's not. I am excited to try this, I will have to admit. I do have another Milk product from Milk. So I'll give this a try with my next video. I might even just do like a Boxy try on. I'm likely going to keep this, but I'm not 100% sure, only because I do have a lot of skincare and I'm trying to get through it as fast as I can, and it's just not working. I was just recently in an influencer where I got a free full-size toner, which is great because I don't have many toners, so I am using that up as fast as I can. Okay, so that is everything. So, I mean, the box on its own, I'm not really sure how to feel about it. I know that sounds really weird to say, but it really is. I just, there's a lot of skincare in it this time over the makeup. Anyway, I said I wasn't going to package this back all up, but I just did. Oh, I'm tired, guys. I'm tired and I'm stressed out. That's for sure. Okay, guys. Anyway, if you do want to sign up for Premuim, I'm not 100% sure on the spoilers for next month, but I do know that choice is out the 14th. So if you sign up now, you'll be put on the wait list for the Premuim, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. You should be off the next month. I believe they'll let you make a choice this month, but don't hold me. But if you do not have BoxyCharm at all, I would sign up if you are looking at signing up for this month. The base box actually isn't all that bad. The base box actually looks really good. It's got like Fenty products in it, and I believe the Fenty is coming for the Luxe as well, and I do not have shipping information, and it's so crazy that they took forever for this box to get to me, and I honestly didn't think I was getting it today because my app didn't work. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a great day. Anyway, and what I was saying before I say goodbye is if you go and sign up for it right now, I do get 500 extra bonus points, and there is a code that you can get to get I think $6 back from $6 to spend at the BoxyCharm pop-up, and that is coming on Monday, so stay tuned for that. I will be looking for some good buys myself. I know I have a lot to review in the next few weeks, so anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and please don't forget to like, share, and make sure you're subscribed.